Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Julie Hall. I am Julie Hall Designs and Locked In Stitches. And what I would like to do is invite you to join me in 2024 as we look at a new way of using our embroidery machines. And what I have encapsulated that under is beyond the hoop. So I am a huge lover of machine embroidery, and I've loved for the last couple of years doing a whole lot of in the hoop projects. But what I have found frustrating with them is their limitations. So what I am proposing is I want to invite you along and show you how we can use our embroidery machines to create patterns that are quilted, and you can see the quilting through there. These patterns are suitable, so not only is the quilting stitched out, but the pattern piece itself is stitched out in your embroidery machine, and then we sew it together. And this is going to be a range of projects that I'm going to present over 2024. So the first one is the wire frame bag. Now this bag is perfect as a handbag, and you can see here I've got it done in a couple of different styles and sizes. So it's suitable for any hoop that is 180 by 280 or above. It is just a great way of using our machine. So throughout January in 2024, I'm going to show you how to stitch these pattern pieces. I'm going to show you how to create your own wire frames so that you can have those wire frames custom to the size of the bag that you create. And this is all about taking the time and making a beautiful piece of stitched work that you would be happy to gift to a family member or sell, that they would be happy to receive, that really is something that is beautiful inside and out. We're also going to be looking at using more of the features in our machines. Now don't stress, if you have an embroidery only machine, you've probably got a sewing machine as well, and learning how to use more of the features in that sewing machine will be part of what we do here. And whilst we're looking at one project a month, we are going to do that project in different ways. So for instance, we've got our basic bag here. This bag has an embroidered panel on it, which is slightly different. We've also got beautiful quilted lining in the project, which again just elevates it. And we're going to show you how to do different types of handles, how to do different types of pockets on that single project. So by the end of the month, what you are going to have is a whole lot of knowledge on how you can better use your machine and create some magnificent projects for 2024. So I look forward to you joining me for this fantastic group of classes as the new year begins. Thanks for watching. Bye.